guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my version of green seasoning. I have been getting a lot of questions about what is green seasoning. So today I'm going to show you guys what it really is, what it does, and how it's made. So here I have some thyme, rosemary, and some oregano. I also have some basil. In Guyana, we call this marmam pork. Just in case you guys did not know, this is marmam pork in Guyana, but here it's called basil. And here I have some cilantro. I have some fresh green ones here and some green onions. I also will be using some peppers. I have sweet peppers and hot peppers. I like to use just 2 hot peppers in my green seasoning because I like to monitor or control the amount of spiciness that is in my food. So I don't want the green seasoning to be too spicy. And I have some garlic, ginger, onions, some oil, and some kosher salt. Now, green seasoning is usually popular in the Caribbean, and it is used basically to season your meats, your poultry, your seafood, or even cook with it in any dish. And it takes your food to another level. It's just another, depth of flavors when you use fresh green seasoning, fresh herbs and aromatics. And this really, it's no right way to make green seasoning. Everybody makes it different, and it's no right way to make it, and it's also no measurements. You guys can put whatever you like the most in your green seasoning. At least that's what I do. So let us just go ahead and wash these up, and then I'll be back to show you guys how we will get it started. So I went ahead and washed all my ingredients, and what I did was give them a rough chop. Like the thyme and stuff, I just pulled the stems off and kept the softer parts, and I discard the hard parts. So now we will go ahead and start blending our ingredients. So since I'm using a small blender, I went ahead and separated my ingredients. I put the greens in one and the onions, garlic, ginger, and peppers in the other. And what I'll do next is just add some salt here and some oil to both of them. And what I like to do is add some water as well, because I don't want to put too much oil. And I just don't like the idea of a lot of oil. By the way, I'm using olive oil here. You can use any oil of your choice. And I will add some water and let this blend, because the blender, it needs to have enough liquid in there to blend properly, or else you'll just damage your blender. But if you're using a food processor, you could just use just oil alone or water alone. It doesn't matter. You could use oil or water. Now I will blend these, and you guys will see how they turn out. And I will continue the same process until I'm done with all of my ingredients. And what I like to do is keep pulsing this so that it will not become very smooth. I like a chunkier consistency, so I like to pulse it so that it will not be completely smooth in texture. Now we'll move on to the other jar, and we will blend it the same way we blend the greens. And remember guys, if you're using a large enough blender, you can do all of them at once. You can combine all of the ingredients and just make one blend. And now that we're all done, look at that guys. Look how this green looks so pretty. I like the color. And look at the texture. That's the texture that I like, and the consistency. And now we will combine them and mix it all together until they are well incorporated, guys. And this is how you make green seasoning. It is absolutely amazing, guys. It takes your food to another level, kicks your cooking up a notch. And like I said before, there's no right way to make green seasoning. You can use whatever you like in yours. It's a matter of choice and preference. Use whatever you like, omit whatever you don't like, And basically you just add in like a tablespoon of salt to your jar, along with about half cup of oil, or a quarter cup of oil to a quarter cup of water, or half cup of oil to half cup of water. It's just depending on your portion size. Okay guys, so this is how I make my famous amazing green seasoning that I use in almost all of my recipes. This can last anywhere from 3 to 6 months, and you just have to refrigerate it, and every time you enter the jar you use a clean utensil. And it is so amazing guys, it takes your food to another level. And I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!